Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can calculate a time difference for your documents, tables and spreadsheets on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to your table or spreadsheet first and let me go with this example table here. For the sake of this tutorial we got one column representing an activity, another one the start time, the end time, and also another one for the time that has passed from the start time to the end time. So let's assume you would like to calculate how much time has passed from this point of time to that one here and apply that formula to the entire column. This is how we can do it, guys. So what you want to do first is make sure that the given time format is applied to the given columns. For the start time column, for example, and also the end time. Because as you can see, these here are raw numbers, but we want to have that time format here with AM, PM. And Google Sheets can and will apply this time format if you select the entire range of data, navigate to format, hover the mouse over number, and switch from number or percent or plain text to time here. As you can see now, right? So that's the time format, and do the same for the end time. Format, number, time. So what you want to do next, guys, is click into the cell here to calculate the first time difference. And what you want to do is, and what you usually hear also on most tutorials, is to double click into the cell and enter the formula equal. And then you will see the suggestion here, which means left clicking into the end time minus the start time. Oh, that's not the right one. Minus this one here, press enter. But as you can see, guys, that's definitely not the right format, because we know from that start time to the end time, the 30 minutes passed, right? So that's definitely not the right format. So what you'll need to do is apply the format to all of these cells. Hover or highlight them and then click into format, number, and this time choose duration here. And that is going to show you the exact time that has passed from point A to point B. So you can apply that to the entire column and then calculate the time difference using the formula I just showed you. But what if you have, for example, AM to PM? Well, you can apply the same formula, double click into it, equals, and then left click into the end time cell minus the start time cell, press enter, or you will see the suggestion here as well. And that's true. 1 hour 5 minutes have passed from start time to end time for this given item here to the left. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.